Hi, my name is Holly Rivera, and I am the CEO and founder of Streamline Dental Solutions. We're a dental consulting group that is dedicated to providing our clients the effective resources and proper training to make dental management both easy and effective. We asked 5 dentists what their top 4 goals are for their practice. All of them said increase their productivity, increase their collection, increase their patient satisfaction, and automate and self-sustain their practice to increase their ability for vacations and family and fun time to be able to walk away. How is this done? This is done through hiring our company, who, myself and the other founder, we have a combined 44 years in dental experience. We have seen and done it all. We have weathered the storm through 9/11, we've weathered the storm through the Great Recession, and we're now weathering the storm through COVID-19. We both run successful multi-million-dollar practices, and we are navigated successfully through every obstacle we have come across. Streamline Dental Solutions, as a dental consultant, is dedicated to excellence in the fact that we will go on site to our client's office and we will immerse ourselves into their culture of their practice. There will not be any 2 practices ever alike. And in understanding that, we will go there, learn what your needs and what your wants are, and we will create a custom plan built to tailor our client's needs. We will teach you the art of negotiating with your dental suppliers. We'll teach you the art of negotiating for your usual and customaries with dental insurance. We'll teach you on your billing and your collections against your productivity. We can guarantee a 1% spread between your productivity and your collections. What does this do at the end of the day? This ends up to create an atmosphere of happy doctors, happy employees, happy patients, and a stress-free environment. Hire us, and we can guarantee that for you. Thank you.